Hello everybody and welcome to the first Animal Crossing New Leaf video journal. Let me focus on the screen here. Okie dokie. So, welcome everybody, and I'm going to be doing video journals, but the first episode will be just me showing you around my town. And I'll visit Dream Suites and all that good stuff. But first I just want to show you around my town. And at the end I'll give you my dream code and the name of my town. There we go. Now you can't see the time. That is fine. Okie dokie. So, welcome back. And as you see, I am wearing my nice Mario shirt. There's the outside of my town, and that is my newborn sister's name, Emily. There it is. Now, keep in mind, I have a block floor for Mario blocks, but it was just too tacky, and I didn't really want it in here. But, oh, those don't make any sound. I didn't know that. Anyways, so that is my home, and I hope you like it. Also, no, that's fine. Okie dokie. So, I copied this from WeFolder Josh's channel, because I thought that you guys would like it, but I don't know, I just thought it'd be fun to do a video journal. I won't do it every day. Maybe I will. I'm not sure. So I just put this in today. My new plaza. I got these bricks from somebody else's town. Hope you like it. And then, oh, okay dokie. So, there's my town tree, right there. It's getting pretty big. Apologize for the grainy quality. This is really good quality when I'm videotaping right now, but I'm using an iPod Touch 5, and for some reason, whenever I upload videos to YouTube, YouTube downs the quality of them. So, okay, so first I am going to take you to my main street. Got a couple lychee trees, apple trees. My town mainly grows oranges, though. Here's great. May grow peaches, oranges, different stuff. Mine grows oranges, though. Oopsie there. I bumped the camera. And right now it is 7:48. I live in Washington State. There's TNT Mart, Able Sisters, the flower shop, and Kick's shoe store should be opening anytime soon. My museum was right over there. It's the Happy Home Academy, post office, Nick's Homes. Ooh, let's go on Club 101. I mean, LOL. Looks like 101, but it's really LOL. The 3D on this game is awesome, too. Oh, it's really good. Oh, the DJ isn't here yet. Oh, that's too bad. Yeah, 12 more minutes. This video will probably be like, maybe 12. I'll end it around 8 so we can go in the DJ club and mess around. There's the Dream Suite, the photo booth, and the bench. So, let's go in here. This place is open from 7 to 12, so it's pretty much open all day. Let's see, hey, there's Coach. Some guy who lives in my town. Welcome, actually, I don't really know why I'm greeting you. So, what's up, bro? Let's chat. I apologize. I cannot show you the bottom screen. I'm not very good at videos, but hey, this is still pretty good. I just zoomed in with my camera onto the 3DS screen because it was... And I have all the windows closed in my room. It's really hot out right now. And I had them open, but I needed to close them for the video. So, maybe I'll walk around, show you some of the houses I got. Just a second, Caleb. Would you like to look around HH Showcase? That's hard to say. Yep. My favorite character on this game is Mitzi. I'll show you her. She's not sleeping right now. She's a cat, though. She's really cool. Let's see here. For some reason, when I'm zooming in... Oh, I'm using a box to set this up, so it's cutting off part of the screen. I don't know why. But it's not really cutting off anything important. There is my mom, actually, right there. I drew her Wario shirt for her. Let's see, will you give me a present? Will you give me a present? Huh. Nice. Ooh, a present for me? Whee! It's a balloon. What would I do without a balloon? Okie dokie. Let's go in here first. Hey! Wonder if this is your house. Let's check. Let's see. West 8, Town. Gotham, Residence of Batman. Okay, that's definitely him. Yeah. Gotham and Batman. That's creative. I was trying to get my town as close as I could to Smallville. So it's small town with one L, because I didn't have enough space for the other room. So this guy is overall my favorite house I have gotten on Street Pass. There's just one room that he has in here that's really, really weird. Here's his Nintendo room. I'm trying to expand. I still haven't paid the existing loan on my house because I've been so busy with public works projects. Oh, wow. Wow, he's got the R-Wing. That's awesome. Pikmin 3. Whoops, Pikmin. I'm excited for Pikmin 3. My dad's like, yeah, Pikmin 3. He's like, we should get that. I'm like, I want to play it. And he's like, oh, well, I guess we won't get it then. I'm like, well, you can play it. He's like, nah. I'm like, okay. Hey, Excite Bike. Woo, yeah. Woo. Okay, I'm getting way into it. Well, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna take a nap. No, I'm just teasing. Okay. Gotta visit the other rooms of this place. Let's go upstairs. Woo! There it goes again. Nice piggy bank. Nice. See, got some weird maskins here. This is the room that I was telling you about. Oh, he's got a banner from Happy Home Academy. And another freaky mask. And a plaque. It's a weird clock. Oh gosh, that is a weird clock. Lots of sleek furniture. It's literally called chic. I'm not kidding you. Go downstairs. Okay, so go downstairs. I don't know if I covered the other room. I'll look just in case, because I don't remember. What the heck? I tried to buy that thing on the wall right there. Oh, that's what I wanted to buy. I gotta buy that. Let's see. Wall-mounted monitor. There we go. Confirm. Oh, dang it, I only have 1,000. That's 4,560. Ah, that sucks. Luna gave me 5,000 for having a good dream and for using their services a lot. So, yeah, that was nice. Okay, let me see if I covered this room. I'm not sure. Maybe I did. Oh, yeah, I did. I did. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see if the night... Let me see what time it is. It is 7:56. Oh, dang it. Well, get four more minutes for this video. I have to stop it at 14 because YouTube only allows me to upload 15-minute videos. I heart balloon. I heart this balloon. Literally, I hate this balloon. Whee! It's too bad most of these shops closed down. Actually, they haven't. It's 8. We should go in the Able Sisters. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okie dokie. Who wants me to go which? Accessories or clothing? Clothing. Okay, clothing it is. Hello. Is it Sable? Yes, it's Sable. Oh, this fine stitch work really gets my shoulders to cramp something fierce. That's for sure. There we go. Now it's full screen. Now it's a party. Right, Mabel? Oh my feet all day. My lower back is always aching. Ooh, ah. I apologize that you cannot see the whole screen. It is just my box. Okie dokie. Gotcha. Unlike my ancient sister, I'm still young and spry, so my back is perfectly fine. Mabel! Oh, I'm just kidding. Come on now, sis. Chill out and loosen up a bit. They have funny arguments. There's my horrible Batman drawing. Aw, that's horrible Batman drawing. Worst Batman drawing ever. Well, the video is over, my friends. In my Bane voice, so I think the darkness is your ally. Well, I am going to go home and sleep, and I will see you tomorrow on the Animal Crossing New Leaf video journal. Today was the town tour, small town tour. And I will give you my dream address any minute. Okie dokie. Here it is. Get ready. And pause the screen right there. I'm going to go take a nap. Goodbye, everybody, and thank you for watching. See you next time.